Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Kuwait. In order to do it, first of all, we need to find whether PayPal is available in Kuwait or not. In order to find that out, simply open your web browser and paste this link. I will put this link down in the description, so you need to simply click on it and you will be landed on this page. Now over here, press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and type Kuwait in order to find whether it is available in this list or not. As you can see that this is Kuwait and it is available in the list, meaning that PayPal is providing its services in Kuwait. So you need to simply click on this link and it will redirect you on PayPal's home page. And as you can see that KW is in the URL, meaning that this URL is specifically for the account creation in Kuwait. So here click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen and select whether you want to open a personal account or a business account. After selecting the type of your account, you need to press continue in the bottom. Now here on this page, you need to make sure that your country is selected. If it is not selected, you need to simply click on this drop down menu and from this list, you need to select your country as Kuwait. Afterwards, provide your email address and press next. On the next page, provide your password that you want to create for your PayPal account. It should be strong and it should be of 8 characters minimum. Then you need to provide a bunch of your personal details like your full name, your mobile information, your financial details, banking details, etc. So you need to provide those details in order to successfully create your account on PayPal in Kuwait. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.